Design, bid, build. Design, bid, build is a process that is used mostly by public agencies to get one of the best prices. And that process starts with the architect or engineer completely developing the project package. They do all the drawings, all the specifications. They put the terms and conditions together, the bidding requirements. It's all complete. And only then, once it's complete, is that project then advertised or contractors invited to bid. And then those contractors submit a price for doing that work, which is the bid. Normally, this is awarded to the lowest contractor, the lowest responsive or responsible contractor. And that's the build part. So the process is it's designed, then it's bid out, and then it's built. Each one of those steps occurring one right after the other. Now, one of the nice things for the owner for design, bid, build is they get free pricing, free competitive pricing. So when they put the whole project package together and they put that out to bid and the contractors bid on it, each contractor is providing a price. Those prices are highly competitive because contractors know that they're competing against each other. And the owner gets verification of price because in a competitive environment they know those prices are very competitive. So it's nice on the owner side to have a design, bid, build to get that free pricing. Some of the disadvantages are that from the contractor's point of view, this is the highest risk delivery system that you can have. So why is that? Why is it a high risk delivery system? Well, it is risky because the contractor is submitting one price to do the work, and then they have to accomplish the job for that price. So what happens if the cost of lumber or the cost of steel goes up during the project? Well, the contractor has no recourse to recover that cost. They have to plan in their bid that extra cost or potential inflation of cost. So these variables that the contractor doesn't know about in the future, they have to plan for, have a little contingency built in. But it poses a lot of risk to the contractor. One of the disadvantages to the owner are change orders to the contract. And we know change orders are modifications to the contract. And they occur because if there's an error in that design package that the owner put together through the architect or engineer, well, that has to be dealt with by the contractor. And usually that means added cost. That results in that change order. And since there is no competition for the change order, the contractor working on the project must continue working on the project. The prices for change orders are usually higher than the original contract would have been. This could actually result in cost overruns. So it's one of the downsides of a design, bid, build. Another disadvantage for the owner is the adversarial relationship that occurs between the contractor and the owner. This occurs because the contractor bid a lump sum price typically to do the entire work, and they want to make sure they make a profit. So they're not going to do any more than the drawings or specifications require. Well, this sometimes goes at odds with what the owner wants. Maybe they wanted a higher quality than what was designed or spec'd. And so contractors are going to just meet the specifications. Owner are going to probably want a little bit more, and they're constantly fighting, especially over the change orders, which we previously mentioned. So that adversarial relationship is a tough relationship to manage through the design, bid, build contract. And then the other thing that's a disadvantage is that quality standards are hard to enforce. The contractor is moving quickly. They're trying to meet the quality standards specified by the drawings and the specifications. And the owner is trying to make sure that they are adhering to those quality standards through inspections. But it's hard to get the contractor to meet the quality standards that they're expecting, partly because of the adversarial relationship, partly because the contractor is working towards a fixed price. So they're going to do everything they can to minimize their expenses during the course of the project, which makes the quality hard to enforce.